Perfect mineral eye. What are essential for all the living things, including human beings, is vegetable minerals, which are also known as fulvic acid minerals. Our bodies do not produce anything without what we eat and drink. This is scientifically true, according to Dr. Roger J. Williams, who discovered pantothenic acid. We acquire physical health and emotional stability through the nutrients of the food we eat. Eating is living. There has come the period of having to think about food in a more serious way. We are living in the period of the absence of balanced nutrition. The most essential of the 5 main nutrients for us are the minerals. Malnutrition of the period of hypernutrition. Nowadays, we intake too much of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. But we don't take enough of minerals. Moreover, there are many problems caused by the decrease of minerals in food. Human bodies can compose some vitamins, but minerals cannot be created inside the bodies. Minerals can be called the Cinderella of the nutrition world. According to Dr. Earl Mindell, the author of Earl Mindell's Vitamin Bible, we are living in the period of severe deficiency of minerals, which are essentially important for our healthy life. However, minerals have been discovered. They are the 4th most important properties next to water and air. The United States Senate Document No.264 says that minerals are the treasure, and without them, we can get sick and our lifespan might be shortened. In the 1970s, the United States Department of Agriculture announced that minerals contain 99% of what people need. Vegetable minerals are the treasure approved by the nation. Plants live by absorbing minerals to maintain their life. Vegetable minerals have following special features. A vegetable mineral's size is 10 to the 9th power meters, which is equivalent to the size of 7,000 over 1 of a red cell, 0.001 micron. Also, it is negative electrical charge and is safe. There are many kinds of minerals which work inside the human body. Different kinds of minerals help each other to be operated. According to scientists, we need to intake more than 70 kinds of vegetable minerals in order to maintain health. There are about 70 kinds of vegetable minerals that plants contain. People had been taking vegetable minerals through various vegetables, grains, and fruits. But nowadays, that has become almost impossible. Internationally, minerals have disappeared in farmlands. even in Japan, farmlands have lost minerals, and the percentage of mineral content in vegetables, grains, and fruits has been decreasing for several decades. About 80 to 90% of Japan and the United States farmlands are short of minerals. What has caused this? Since we develop many things, such as dams and sewages for convenience and comfortableness. But because of that, the cycle of minerals on farmlands has been thrown into disorder. The development of chemical farming is also the root cause. Earthworms and microorganisms have become extinct. Vegetables have come to the state of not being able to use minerals. Therefore, we have lost various minerals. Wouldn't this be the worst disaster of the 20th century? The United States Document No.264 says the alarming fact is that foods, fruits and vegetables and grains now being raised on millions of acres of land that no longer contains enough of certain needed minerals are starving us no matter how much of them we eat. Not being able to take minerals from the nature, lots of enterprises have tried scientific methods to overcome this crisis. Many kinds of business enterprises have developed various mineral products. As a result, the first to be produced is a restricted form of minerals, which is a chewable type. It contains the contents of rocks, oyster shells, and salt. These contents are powdered and put into capsules. The size is about 1 micron, and it is hard to be absorbed into human bodies. Its electronical charge is positive, and the percentage of absorption is about 10%. If you take too much of a restricted form of minerals, it might become toxic in your body. After the development of the first form of minerals, the second form of minerals have been produced. There are two types of the second form of minerals. The first one is the chelate type, which is formed of proteins that can be absorbed well and is surrounded by amino acids. The second one is also the colloid type, which is a byproduct of rocks melted with sulfuric acids. Even though there were many tryouts, vegetable minerals couldn't be created. At the time when getting minerals from vegetables seemed impossible, a marvelous thing happened. Minerals, which human beings cannot create and couldn't be earned from farmlands, have been discovered around Emmy Lake in Utah, United States of America. This area was known as a place that wild animals usually stayed for several days when injured. Native Americans thought it was strange, so they followed the animals and saw that animals got healed in several days after drinking water from a black stratum. The Native Americans thought that there must be some secrets about this water and experimented with this water. The result is that miracles did happen. So the water from the area was known as the miraculous water for several hundreds of years. the time when this water was introduced to Anglo-Americans in 1930s, the story of the miraculous water has spread. After several decades of research, it was approved as the source of vegetable minerals. Recently, not only the water, but also the stratum was noticed. About 100 million years ago, during the Cretaceous period, the environment was totally different from now. There were several crustal movements. Because of that, plants grew gigantically. Therefore, those gigantic plants have clustered in jungles with lots of sands. Under the stratum, there were lots of minerals and plants absorbed. That stratum was very vast and was the gift sent to the present age from ancient times. The special existence that does not become coals or fossils was named humic shale. Using only cold water, extracting more than 70 kinds of vegetable minerals was successfully done. In Utah, there is a factory that restores vegetable minerals. The factory uses only humic shale and filtered and sterilized water. During the restoring process, the factory also doesn't use chemical medicines and doesn't apply heat. The process is like this. First, put the filtered and sterilized water into the tank and place humic shale. When humic shale's mud piles up, the mud and the membrane get separated by the special filter. This process improved the restoration technology and made it possible to succeed in acquiring the world's highest quality vegetable minerals. Aside from humic shale, there are rare organic compounds inside the accumulation of ancient plants. There is a humic layer which has fulvic acids. Fulvic acids surround small amounts of minerals and carry nutritive elements to human bodies. Since fulvic acids have natural electrolytes and can be ionized in order to be absorbed well, vegetable minerals have a high absorption rate because of fulvic acids. Perfect mineral I contains a lot of fulvic acids and 70 kinds of minerals. It is the world's first vegetable mineral concentrated from humic shale. Moreover, it is granule type, so that you can take vegetable minerals anytime, anywhere. And there is hybrid mineral I. It contains leupurin, which is made of acid-proof minerals. Leupurin is a vegetable mineral that is made of concentrated substances from old pine trees, Japanese cedar trees, pine trees, bamboo, mugworts, kelps, and seawoods, and etc. in all over Japan. Hybrid mineral I also contains resveratrol. It is known that the factors which determine a human being's lifespan are heredity by 25% and environment by 75%. If you want to turn on the longevity switch, you need to eat less and eat nutritious food. However, modern lifestyle makes it harder to refrain from overeating. To solve this problem, resveratrol is needed. Originally, resveratrol is a vegetable antimicrobial. It is included in grape and peanut shells and has strong antioxidative power. Resveratrol is also included in red wine. It is assumed that the reason why cardiovascular disease death rate is low in France is that French people take enough of resveratrol, even though they eat foods rich in animal fats. Recently, research about longevity is focused on telomere DNA. Telomere is the end of the chromosome and is known as the candle of life. Telomere DNA tends to get shorter during the process of cell division, and that is the key for the maintenance of cell division. But what if you drink a lot of red wine every day? It's going to ruin your health. So hybrid mineral I contains resveratrol, a biodefense material that protects plants themselves when they are exposed to ultraviolet rays, molds, sicknesses, and other stresses. Lastly, if telomere DNA stops shortening, cell division stops as well. The cease of cell division leads to aging and death of cells. It is studied that resveratrol indirectly works within telomere DNA. Hybrid mineral I, which contains resveratrol and lippurin, concentrated from the leaves of trees, plants, and seaweeds, including more than 70 kinds of vegetable minerals, will definitely help you to live healthy. The conclusion of the United States Senate Document No. 264 is that our physical health depends on minerals, more than on proteins, glucides, fats, or vitamins. This conclusion leads to us that giving nutrition to cells is needed. You can trace every sickness, every disease, and every ailment to a mineral deficiency, said Dr. Linus Pauling, an American biochemist who received Nobel Prize in Chemistry and Nobel Peace Prize. Bankside Perfect Mineral I and Hybrid Mineral I contain 70 kinds of essential minerals which have been the grace of the earth. Thanks for watching this video presented by Bankside. We hope to be friends with everyone by enhancing health through minerals. Thank you.